The AI era has already begun. The only question is, will your organization lead or follow?
Across every industry, leaders are already using AI to make faster decisions, improve productivity, and outperform the competition.
Artificial intelligence isn't replacing leaders. Leaders who embrace AI will redefine how organizations compete.
AI is transforming every decision leaders make, from finance and healthcare to operations, HR, and customer experience.
The question is no longer if your organization should adopt AI. The question is, how soon can you begin?
Lead with confidence. Build an AI strategy. Drive measurable business results. Join AI for Leaders, from strategy to execution. Register today.